First question, ownership expressed in terms of money is called option A property account, option B capital account, option C real account, option D asset account. Answer option B capital account. A product was sold for rupees 448 at a profit of 12%. What is the cost? Option A rupees 502, option B rupees 448, option C rupees 400, option D rupees 394. Answer option C rupees 400. Capital profit is transferred to option A capital reserve, option B reserve capital, option C general reserve, option D specific reserve. Answer option A capital reserve. Depreciation on fixed asset is provided in compliance with the accounting concept of option A consistency, option B accrual, option C cost, option D going concern concept. Answer option D going concern concept. Another question, which of the following items is recorded in the sales journal? Option A only cash sales, option B only credit sales, option C both cash and credit sales, option D none of these. Answer option B only credit sales. Capital account is a option A personal account, option B real account, option C nominal account, option D none of these. Answer option A personal account. Quick ratio is also called option A acid test ratio, option B near money ratio, option C liquid ratio, option D all of these. Answer option D all of these. A method of costing in which the fixed costs are added for inventory valuation. Option A absorption costing, option B marginal costing, option C direct costing, option D deferred costing. Option A absorption costing.